Alright, so what'd you say it was? It's just to the left. Right to the left. To the left. I don't see it. Right there. Straight ahead. Alright, hold on. This is it? Yeah, this is it. Okay, hold on. It's not over here. Wait. I'm looking on the map. Hold on. But where's the map? I have it. Hold on. Okay, it's right where you're standing. Right where I'm standing? Yeah. Okay. I don't see it. Well, it's gotta be right there. Yeah, but I don't see it. It's not over here. Well, that's where the fuck the chest is. Yeah, well, I don't see it over here. Well, it should be right where the fuck you're standing. You gotta fucking dig it up. I don't have to dig it up. I can fucking look right through it. I don't see it over here, dude. Well, you gotta fucking dig it up, dude. If you're fucking looking through it with a fucking vision like that, you're not gonna fucking see it like that, you idiots. Alright, well, where's the X? What? Where's the X? What X? What are you talking about? Where's the X on the map? It's right where you're standing. That's what I'm trying to fucking tell you, you idiots. Yeah, but I don't fucking see it over here. Because you gotta fucking dig it up, you dumbass. It's not over here, dude. Yes, it is. What the hell are you talking about? See? I don't see it. Well, dog, you gotta fucking dig it up. I'm sure it's fucking buried right there, dude. Yeah, but I don't fucking see it. It's not over here. Dog, I told you gotta fucking dig it up. I don't see it here. God, dude, I told you to dig it up. Get on your knees, bitch, and dig it up. Fuck you, right? God, Black Bear's chest my ass, huh? I don't see no fucking chest over here.